Hey there, home chefs and kitchen tech lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we explore smart tools that make your life tastier and easier. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile kitchen companions, air fryers. Whether you want to enjoy crispy fries without the oil or roast veggies with perfect texture, air fryers can truly change the way you cook. I've reviewed 5 of the best air fryers for 2025, and each one offers something unique. Let's break it down. Number 1. Ninja AF 1415 Quart Air Fryer. If you're short on counter space but don't want to compromise on performance, the Ninja AF 141 is a strong contender. This compact model comes with a 5-quart basket and features 4-in-1 functionality, including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. It uses air crisp technology to push superheated air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, producing crispy, golden meals with significantly less oil. It's ideal for couples or small families looking for quick weeknight dinners. Users love how easy it is to operate and clean, and how little space it takes up while still delivering restaurant-quality results. Number 2. Cosori Turbo Blaze 6-Quart Air Fryer. This air fryer is built for busy families and meal preppers who want fast, crispy results without the mess. The 6-quart non-stick basket offers plenty of room for batch cooking, while its powerful 3,600 RPM Turbo Blaze fan cranks the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for incredibly quick and even cooking. It includes 9 one-touch presets, such as air fry, roast, bake, broil, and more, making it a versatile kitchen essential. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring clean, healthy cooking every time. Users consistently praise its lightning speed and the golden crisp it brings to everything from wings to veggies. Number 3. Tefal Easy Fry Dual Zone Digital Air Fryer for multitaskers and busy families. The Tefal Easy Fry Dual Zone offers something extra: 2 independent cooking zones. You can prepare 2 different dishes at the same time, each with its own temperature and timer. Thanks to the sync finish feature, both meals are ready together, making dinner prep fast and seamless. It includes multiple cooking functions like air fry, bake, roast, and grill, all managed through an intuitive digital interface. Customers rave about the time-saving convenience and the ability to cook an entire meal without juggling different appliances. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 10QT Dual Zone Smart XL Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi 10QT Dual Zone Smart XL is built for families who want speed, size, and smart features in one device. With 2 independent 5-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different dishes at once using separate time and temp settings. The Smart Finish feature ensures both foods are ready together, while Match Cook lets you duplicate settings for full 10-quart capacity. Its integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer takes the guesswork out of doneness, delivering perfect results every time. With 6 functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, it's versatile enough for any meal. Users love the convenience, large capacity, and how it simplifies meal prep without sacrificing crispiness or flavor. So there you have it, 5 incredible air fryers tailored to different needs and lifestyles. Whether you're cooking for a crowd, saving counter space, or looking to prepare 2 dishes at once, there's an option here for you. All links are in the description. Click to check current prices on Amazon and support the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart kitchen reviews. See you in the next one.